It's just me, Robin, and today I am participating in the Under the Sea Tablescape 20 collab being hosted by Kel of If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, and her beautiful co-host Penny at Penny's Place, Chanel at the New Families DIY, and Inn of Renters Live Luxury by Inn. In this challenge, we were tasked with creating a tablescape or an area of your home with an under the sea theme. You could use fish, you could use sea creatures, you could use colors of the sea and the ocean or the beach, but it had to be in the under the sea theme. Add all of the host channels along with the playlist in the description box so that you guys can go back and check out all the wonderful under the sea creations. I'd appreciate it if you would also go by each of the host channels and subscribe to their channels too. So without further ado, here is my under the sea tablescape. So this is my under the sea tablescape. I got it in between showers again. We're supposed to have rain every day for the next week. It's already rained twice today. Did two tablescapes. I did one indoors and outdoors because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get the outdoors one done, but thank God I was able to. But I'm going to show both of them. But this is my mermaid under the sea with her fish friends. I did DIYs last year, I think, on these two lanterns that have seashells in them. And they're two candle holders from the Dollar Tree. And then I put two Dollar Tree candle holders in the top of it. The tablecloth and the napkins, I believe they came from Home Goods a couple of years ago. I used the same plate as I did in my last video. And then the starfish, I glued some little shells on them to make a little extra decoration for the setting. Now I'll give you pictures of each of the individual things. But everything on this table I already had. And the tablecloth actually looks like water moving around. So I thought that was make it interesting and beautiful at the same time. And I believe that everything else that I got on this tablescape, except for the beaded placemats, I got from Bell's Outlet. The blue gray candlestick that looks kind of worn the clear plastic shell margarita cups, the fish and the octopus, the mermaid. All of that stuff came from Bell's Outlet. Don't sleep on Bell's Outlet, you guys. They got some good stuff. But again, I've had these things because I decorate my house with beach types items throughout the year. And if you guys want to see a different Thanksgiving tablescape, go back and look at my Thanksgiving tablescape. I think it was last year, with a collaboration with the Glamorous Penny Pincher, and we did out of the box Thanksgiving tablescapes. So here is my indoor under the sea tablescape. Again, I did 2 tablescapes because I wasn't sure if I was gonna get the outside one before the rain came, but so you guys get a double treat today. I used some of the same colors. The napkins are the same as the tablescape outside. The bowl and the saucer are iridescent white starfish, and then the charger plate is just an iridescent irregular edge plate, and then the dinner plate is blue with gold, what looks like bubbles to me, so it looks like it's bubbling under the sea. Then at the head of the table, each of those just have the dinner plate with the bubbles, and then the off-white salad plate with the bubbles. The wine glasses are an aqua color with gold rims, as well as the water glasses or tea glasses. This came out so beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was an absolutely fun tablescape challenge to do. My love of the beach, I think, shows in both tablescapes. So if you guys like this, and I hope you do, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you would, please go to the playlist and check out all the other creative and talented participants. I appreciate you stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. You guys take care, be blessed, and have an absolutely under the sea beautiful day. Talk to you later. Bye.